Hey, this is Nick from MagLoft, and in this video session we'll be creating a page full of parallax effect. So this is another content piece that we will be building, and we're going to start off with our header. So I'm going to go to my content blocks, drag in my header, get rid of the paragraph, and change this to, and we're going to make this green. There we go, I like that one. Next, I'm going to drag in a layer. I'm going to drop that here, and we're going to do what we've done several times already before. We're going to give it a background image, which has already been decided on, and I'm going to give this one a minimum height of 100 V8, so it's going to fill an entire screen that you can scroll down and see. Then I'm going to drag in another layer, so this is going to be the content. Then I'm going to drag in a heading into our layer, and I'll drag in a paragraph right below. Now I'm going to select the layer. I'm going to just do that by using the parent layer, and I'm going to give it a background color also of green. Yeah, that's a nice one. We'll go with that green. And I'm going to change my heading, the Shady Shack, make that white. There we go. And I'm also going to update the text, and I want to make that white as well. There we go. So this is a classic article layout where you have your headline, you have a nice big header image, and then you have your text. So I'm going to keep doing this for the next 2 articles. There are 3 in total, or stories I should say. So let's get those in, and then we'll see how it looks like. Okay, let's have a quick look and see what I've done. So this was the first one that we created, and all I've done is I've just continued the same way. So I added in a layer, gave it a height of 100 VH, changed the background image, and again below that I added another layer, green background color and some text, and once more again just a layer, 100% 100 VH height, and below that again just a green layer with a heading and a paragraph. So we just built what looks like a regular content page that scrolls, but look what happens when we start applying parallax effects. So each layer we're going to give it a parallax effect, a stay, and you can see how now the content scrolls on top of the image, which looks good. We've seen this before. However, we can do this for every single layer that has a full page image. So if we do this here as well, you can see how the text now divides the 2 images. It gives a cool effect of it. Looks like it's erasing the top one and showing you the next one. And we're going to do the same again for the third one here. Parallax, stay. So now you have 3 images that kind of scroll through. It looks like they're changing with the text that's scrolling on top of it. So this is a neat little effect that you can do with Parallax and the type of editor, just to make your content come a little bit alive and be a little bit more interesting to read. You can also really use an effect like Parallax to show off how things look like before and after. Or from front and behind. So as you've seen, the parallax effect is a really cool way to add a little bit more interactivity and depth to your pages instead of just a constant scroll. I really hope that you've enjoyed this session and that you got a lot out of it. As always, if you have any questions or suggestions for other videos, please let us know. We'd love to do them for you. For now, this is Nick from MagLoft, and I'll see you in the next one.